man grandparent bat kiparlog jongpi syapang ka examen jongpi bot yaki neki step bat persang yaki. Hi, how are you? Hi, pilong kumno. I'm fine, Nabiyang. You look worried. Is there any problems? You can share it with me. Piikus live ha, hato kadon kano kaching pila man ito nga. Actually, I'm worried about my exam. There is only 1 week left and I think I have not studied anything. I'm feeling nervous. Kaching siya nakuslaya ka examen dan sa tangsi tayo bat nga perkat ngampat kre AA ru ngas ngaw shifting. Oh, just focus on your studies and you won't face any problem. Oh, shu penleching mood bet ya kaching puli bat pin siyam shu kano kaching That's the problems. I can't concentrate. Katakin kaching ngamla man penleching mood. That's all happened to me too. But we have to concentrate in our studies even though we can't concentrate because our exam is very near. Kata baro kachaya ngaru kumju. Tangba ngihap man penleching mood hakajing puli. Patlada ngimla man penleching mood ru. Namar ka-examin jong giru kalajan. Thank you so much for your advice and I will surely follow it. Kublay shibun ya kajing ajing mood jongpi. But tikenangan but yaki. Okay then, bye. Study hard. To kata, bye. Sakrekod ba. Bye. Sim to you. Bye. Yapiru kumju.